وأنزلنا إليك الذكر لتبين للناس ما نزل إليهم.
بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. وقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم: إياكم والحسد فإن الحسد يأكل الحسنات كما تأكل النار والحطب. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam has warned us from having jealousy, because this jealousy will eat away your good deeds, will destroy your good deeds the way the fire destroys the wood. Having hasad is from among the major sins. Having hasad is from among the worst of the characteristics. And having hasad will take away the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala from you. And Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam has clearly told us that this hasad will destroy our good deeds. How many good deeds do you think that we have? And even if we have many good deeds, how many good deeds do we think that Allah has accepted from us? And do you want to destroy those good deeds by your jealousy? And if it is so, we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to save us from having hasad. Ulama, rahimahumullah, they say that a person has jealousy because of three reasons. Number one, because of his extreme hatredness for his fellow Muslim brother. He hates his fellow Muslim brother for whatever blessings he has got. He hates him. Because of he hates him, he do not like any blessings that Allah has bestowed upon him. This is number one. Number two, the one who does hasad because he is incapable of doing what others do. Others are able to excel in their knowledge. Others are able to excel in the business. Others are able to advise others. Others are having little beauty. All this is from the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And he is incapable of what others do. Because of that, he hates. He has hasad upon that person. Number three, he has no reason, but he does not like any fada'il in anybody. He does not like any blessings for his Muslim brother. He wants all of those things to be destroyed. These are the three reasons. The ulama, they say that Al-hasadu yukashshiru al-qalba kama tukashshiru al-jiradu al-jilda fatamtas adamahu. Hasad will awaken the heart, your iman, the way some flies, some insects which you may find sitting on the skin of your pets. You will find some flies, some fleas or insects which sits on the pets, and it slowly sucks the blood and it weakens it. Similarly, al-hasad will weaken your iman. Why it weakens your iman? Because the hasid, the one who has jealousy, does not like the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala upon others. He rejects the decree of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala upon the others. He rejects what Allah likes for that person. He rejects what Allah has bestowed upon that person. And this is very dangerous. And this takes away your iman. And beware of jealousy. Do not get the anger of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And this is the hasad which occurred in the heavens. And this was the first sin. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ordered the angels to prostrate in front of Allah, in the front of Adam alayhi salam, all the angels prostrated except the jinn. The jinn, the Iblis, did not prostrate. And because of hasad, he became kafir. And this is the first sin. And the first sin on the face of the earth was because of hasad, which occurred between the children of Adam alayhi salam, which led to bloodshed. And also hasad is from among the characteristics of Yahud and Nasara. And also hasad contradicts the iman, because Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam told that La yajtami'u في جوف عبد الحسد والإيمان. The hasad and the iman cannot come together in the heart or in a believer. And hasad and iman cannot exist together. And because of this hasad, people have gone to different levels. They started doing magic on each other. They wanted to destroy them by dishonoring them, or by spreading false information about them, or by spreading wrong things about them in the society. All these things are caused because of hasad. And we find very often, very normal in our societies, that this jealousy everywhere. We should always seek refuge in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala from this kind of jealousy, because the person who has jealousy is not content with what he has, and he is not having content with what Allah has provided upon his fellow Muslim brother. La ilaha illallah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us from jealousy.